NASA researchers discovered that a single daytime nap of just 26 minutes improved pilot performance by 34%. But the same nap taken even 90 minutes too late silently destroyed their nighttime recovery and spiked inflammatory markers by morning. Most people who nap are unknowingly choosing the wrong window every single day. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use daytime sleep as a precision tool, not a random habit. You will walk away knowing the 3 things most people get completely wrong about napping, the 1 biological mechanism that determines whether your nap heals or harms you, and a simple protocol you can start using today. No supplements, no devices, just science applied correctly. Because right now, your nap might be the most underestimated health decision you make all day. And most doctors never even bring it up. You've been told that napping is lazy, or that it will ruin your night's sleep, or that you should just power through the afternoon slump with another coffee. Here's the thing nobody tells you. That advice is not just wrong. It is actively working against your biology. Your body is hardwired with a secondary sleep pressure window between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. It is not weakness. It is circadian rhythm. Every single human on the planet experiences a natural dip in alertness during that window, driven by adenosine buildup and a drop in core body temperature. Think of it like a browser with too many tabs open. Your brain is not broken. It is just waiting for you to hit refresh. The problem is most people either ignore that window entirely and run on cortisol and caffeine, or they nap so long and so late that they crash their nighttime sleep architecture. Both choices cost you. One drives chronic inflammation, the other fragments your deep sleep, which is the phase where your body repairs DNA, clears brain waste through the glymphatic system, and resets your gut microbiome recovery cycle. You deserve better than guessing. A 2024 study from Harvard Medical School, tracking over 18,000 adults across 6 countries, found that participants who napped between 20 and 30 minutes before 3 p.m. showed a 27% reduction in cardiovascular stress markers within just 8 weeks compared to non-nappers. 27% from a nap. Stanford University sleep researchers showed a 41% improvement in reaction time, working memory, and emotional regulation in participants who followed a consistent nap timing protocol for just 14 days. Not months, 14 days. And the Journal of Sleep Research published findings in 2024 showing that irregular or late-day napping lasting longer than 60 minutes was associated with a 38% higher risk of disrupted gut microbiome diversity. Specifically, reduced populations of lactobacillus strains that regulate cortisol and inflammation overnight. Your nap does not just affect your brain, it reaches your gut. Here is the biology in plain language. Your brain works like a self-cleaning dishwasher. During deep nighttime sleep, your glymphatic system, a network of fluid channels surrounding your brain cells, flushes out toxic waste proteins, including beta amyloid, the compound linked to cognitive decline. But here is where it gets interesting. A short strategic nap during the day gives your brain a microflush. It clears enough adenosine, the fatigue chemical, to restore alertness without triggering a full deep sleep cycle. When you nap longer than 45 minutes, you slide into slow-wave sleep, and waking from that phase causes sleep inertia, that groggy, confused, almost drugged feeling that can last up to 40 minutes. Worse, it signals your brain that nighttime sleep pressure has been satisfied early, fragmenting your deep sleep window by up to 22%. Short nap, precision timing, massive payoff. Step 1. Time your nap between 1 p.m. and 2:30 p.m. Do this every day, not just when you feel tired. Research suggests consistent nap timing trains your circadian rhythm to anticipate recovery, improving sleep efficiency by up to 19% within 3 weeks. Step 2. Limit your nap to exactly 20 to 26 minutes. Set an alarm before you lie down. This keeps you in light sleep stages, delivers the cognitive refresh, and lets you wake up clear and sharp, not groggy. Studies show this window alone produces a 34% boost in afternoon focus. Step 3. Drink a small coffee or green tea immediately before your nap. This sounds counterintuitive, but caffeine takes 20 to 25 minutes to enter your bloodstream. You wake up right as it kicks in, delivering a dual alert signal: rested brain plus caffeine activation. Researchers call this a coffee nap, and it outperforms either caffeine or a nap alone by 12%. What to avoid? Mistake 1: napping after 3 p.m. Even a 20-minute nap after 3 p.m. suppresses melatonin onset by up to 47 minutes, delays deep sleep entry, and cuts your glymphatic waste clearance cycle short. Your cellular repair window shrinks and inflammation markers rise by morning. Mistake 2: napping longer than 45 minutes without intention. Long unplanned naps trigger cortisol rebounds on waking, disrupt your gut microbiome's overnight repair cycle, and create a vicious cycle of afternoon grogginess that pushes you toward later sleep and earlier exhaustion the next day. One bad nap compounds into a broken week. If what you learned today changes how you think about that afternoon crash, and you realize your nap has been either your secret weapon or your hidden sabotage, subscribe to Ping Health. We post science-backed health insights every single day, and I genuinely want to hear from you. Do you nap regularly, and do you wake up feeling better or worse? Drop your answer in the comments right now.